Find the product of all integers m satisfying m squared plus m plus 7 is a perfect square. As m squared plus m plus 7 is a perfect square, so we let m squared plus m plus 7 equal k squared. K is an integer. The left-hand side of the equation can be written as m plus a half all squared plus 27/4 by completing the square. By rearranging the equation, we have k squared minus m plus a half all squared equals 27/4. We know that a difference of two squares, a squared and b squared, can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So we can now write k plus m plus a half times k minus m minus a half equals 27/4. By rearranging the equation, we have 4 times k plus m plus a half times k minus m minus a half equals 27. 4 can be written as a product of primes, 2 times 2. 2 times k plus m plus a half can be written as 2k plus 2m plus 1. 2 times k minus m minus a half can be written as 2k minus 2m minus 1. Positive factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9, 27. So the pairs of integers of 27 are 1, 27, 3, 9, minus 1, minus 27, minus 3, minus 9. Thus, from equation 2, we have 2k plus 2m plus 1 times 2k minus 2m minus 1 equals 1 times 27, or 3 times 9, or minus 1 times minus 27, or minus 3 times minus 9. If m, k satisfy equation 1, then m minus k also satisfy equation 1. This implies that we'll find all integers m satisfying the condition even if we constrain k to be greater than 0. By applying the pairs of integers minus 1, minus 27, minus 3, minus 9 to equation 2, we will have k is less than 0. Thus, it is sufficient to only consider the pairs of integers 1, 27, 3, 9. Case 1, 2k plus 2m plus 1 equals 27. 2k minus 2m minus 1 equals 1. From this set of equations, we can derive that 4k equals 28, which means k equals 7, 2m equals 2k minus 2. So this is equal to 12. So m equals 6. Case 2, 2k plus 2m plus 1 equals 1. 2k minus 2m minus 1 equals 27. From this set of equations, we can derive that 4k equals 28. So k equals 7. 2m equals minus 2k, which is minus 14. So m equals minus 7. Case 3, 2k plus 2m plus 1 equals 9. 2k minus 2m minus 1 equals 3. From this set of equations, we can derive that 4k equals 12. So k equals 3. 2m equals 2k minus 4, which is 2. So m equals 1. Case 4, 2k plus 2m plus 1 equals 3. 2k minus 2m minus 1 equals 9. From this set of equations, we can derive that 4k equals 12, which means that k equals 3. 2m equals 2 minus 2k, which is minus 4. So m equals minus 2. Thus, m equals 6 minus 7, 1 minus 2 are all the integers that satisfy m squared plus m plus 7 is a perfect square. Therefore, the product of all integers n satisfying the condition is 6 times minus 7 times 1 times minus 2 equals 84.
Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.